We're going to go ahead and take a look at a company that is hiring work at home chat customer service representatives, and there are positions available worldwide. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna, and I upload videos on how to earn money working from home or from your phone or online. And if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, which is every single day at 11:30 a.m. Mountain Time. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and dive into this video. And another thing I wanted to remind you is to check out the details in the description below this video about the gift card giveaway that we're doing for this month of March. On the 31st, we're going to announce a winner. And then I also wanted to mention, if you are interested in learning on how to build an income online, don't forget to check out the first link below this video. That is my personal first stream of income online. If you are interested, go ahead and check that out. And we're gonna go ahead and dive into this website. So the website is called, the company is called TheChatShop, and this is what the screen looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this link in the description below this video, so you can just click on it and you'll be directed to this page. And here they do have the job openings selection, but I would like to kind of just go ahead and take a look at the company and read a little bit about what this company does and everything before we go ahead and take a look at the job openings that they do have available at this point. And now it says right here, who are we? It says the chat shop is about people who believe in what they do. We're about conversations that inspire, not scripted platitudes. We're powered by people and driven by data. We get the job done. We are live chat experts, from live chat consulting to skilled US and UK live chat, outsourcing our live chat agents to increase leads by 50% and achieve 99% customer satisfaction. In short, we create conversations that matter. Okay, and they does have a little bit about the job culture. Okay, it says the workplace and culture. Here at the Chat Shop, we treat our employees as family. We love helping others and emphasizing a company culture of togetherness, no matter where you're located. Okay, so and we says we are all well-established UK-based company that has set out to change the way live chat occurs, with a huge emphasis on engaging with our customers, and that's what makes us ultimately different. In our opinion, being different makes us exceptional. From our head office staff to our live chat agents, you'll find that we're chatty, personable, and above all caring. You can read more about our company culture here. Okay, so if you're interested, you can click on this link right here, and it'll take you to the to get more information about the company. And it does show a little bit more about the departments that they have. They do have a live chat team as sales and marketing, and then company operations, and it does have some staff members right there. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the opening positions that they do have available at this point. They do have a live chat agent, United Kingdom based, remote, it says. So that that means they can be located anywhere. And right here it says live chat agent, United States based, remote. So you will have to be in the United States, but anywhere in the United States, I believe that's what it means. And they do have more for United States. They have this one, a live chat. They have many positions for live chat agents. Live chat for United Kingdom, United Kingdom, United Kingdom. So they do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for United Kingdom, and they have 4 positions available for United States as of now. and if you are interested, you would just click. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on one of these and kind of get just a little bit more information. It says live chat agent, United States based, remote live chat team, United States team, Texas. If you are looking for an amazing and unique opportunity to help change the way customer service is given via chat, this is the position for you. We are looking for awesome new chat agents. You can click on this for to apply for the job. Um, and here it provides you a little bit more information. I want to see if I can find out a little bit more about how much they pay. Okay, salary. Okay, job type. Part-time, salary $10 an hour. Okay, so we're just gonna go through this like real quick and see. Hopefully we can find information, and that way you get more or less of an idea as to what they expect, and if you're interested you can come and apply for this position. Okay, so it says calling all extraordinary live chat agents. If you have passion for online sales and lead generation, fingers that fly across the keyboard, and a team-oriented mindset, this may just be the position for you. While this is a remote position, it's certainly not a lonely one. We're fun-loving family here at the Chat Shop, so negative-minded people who are looking to build relationship um, need not apply. Okay, every week we receive thousands of applications from all over the world, but only 1% are hired. Why? Because we want the best. Okay, please only apply if you meet the following requirements. Fluent or native English speaking, must be able to speak English at an idiomatic level with outstanding sentence structure, spelling, and grammar. Dual screen monitor in a distraction-free home office. The ability to type at least 65 words per minute with above 97% accuracy. Commitment of 20 to 40 scheduled hours a week, including weekends. Agree to non-negotiable $10 per hour pay rate. Are located in Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, and Texas. Our our ideal applicant is also able to stay calm and focused in high pressure situations, a meticulous learner with an inquisitive mind and keen of detail and organization. As live chat agent, you will have a few responsibilities available to take on 3 concurrent chats while maintaining an average response of 30 seconds, meet weekly and monthly KPIs, be a team player. Flexibility, adaptability, and desire to succeed are a must. Before submitting your application for review, please do a few things. You see what we're all about and read about the blog. Make sure it's a good fit for you. Do this speed typing test. Okay, so you will have to type. Do the typing test before you can apply for this job, and be sure to also check our application tips page. Okay, double check that your resume, CV, and cover page are on tip-toe shape and submit for review. Okay, and it says, while this remote position, we are only able to hire in select locations. If you live in the UK or the United States, in which we're recruiting, you can still be and feel a big part of the team. Currently, we are able to hire residents from the following US states. Okay, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, and Texas. It is important to note that we are not hiring for seasonal customer support or strictly customer service position at this time. If it's all right for you, please go forward and submit your application. Okay, so this job is a part-time job, and they pay $10 per hour salary. And yeah, if you are interested, this is a place where you will have to go and if you meet the requirements and if you reside in one of those states that they mentioned, you will have to go and do these things that they mentioned right here, and then be able to apply for the position that they are offering. Like I said, they do have about 5 positions in the UK, and they have 4 positions in the United States. So if it's something that you are interested in, you can go ahead and apply. And yeah, that's this site. Let me know what you think, if you're gonna go ahead and try it, or have you tried it, or what was your experience. I don't know, just share anything, any insight that you may have about this company that you would like to share with us. It will be really helpful. And if you end up applying, keep up with us, letting us know if you end up getting the position, how was the process, and things like that. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. And if like I said, this is a job that you can do from home. You don't have to go out or to do anything. You can complete all of this from home if you have if you meet all the requirements that they ask for you. This is a great position if you are interested in start working from home, or do this as I don't know, as a second job, as a part-time job from your already regular job, or if you're just a stay-at-home parent and you are interested in getting a stay-at-home job that you can do. This is a great option. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, please don't hesitate to share this information with your family, friends, anybody who may be looking for a part-time job, stay-at-home job right now. And yeah, I mean, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Help us support us to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of April. That is my goal for this channel, to reach to 1,000 subscribers. So please don't forget to subscribe and support us in all of our other social media platforms. And we have a Facebook page, an Instagram account, and also a TikTok account. So don't forget to look us up. All the links are going to be in the description to this video. And like I said, if you are interested in learning on how to build a long-term passive income stream for yourself and your family from the comfort of your home, don't forget to check out the first link below this video. That's where I share more details in regards to how I'm personally making money online. That is my first source of income stream online. So if you're interested, check out the first link below this video. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.